Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by making a clear amber caramel. Place 3/4 cup granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons water in a small heavy saucepan. Heat over medium-high, swirl without stirring, and watch for color change to amber in 6 to 8 minutes. Remove from heat promptly. Immediately pour the hot caramel into a 6-cup bundt pan or 6 6-ounce ramekins, tilting each vessel to coat the bottom and partway up the sides. Let the caramel set for 2 to 3 minutes before adding the custard so it doesn't melt into the mix. Whisk the custard quickly but gently. Combine 4 large eggs, 1 can 14 Oz sweetened condensed milk, 1 can 12 Oz evaporated milk, and 1 teaspoon vanilla in a bowl. Beat just until homogeneous. Avoid excessive frothing. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into the caramel-lined bundt or ramekins to eliminate foam and any chalaza. This yields a silky texture. Cover the pan tightly with aluminum foil to prevent condensation. Place a trivet in the pressure cooker, set the pan on the trivet, and pour 1 to 1. 5 cups of water around it. Lock the lid and set the cooker to high pressure. Cook for 10 minutes with the vents sealed. After the timer finishes, let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes, then perform a quick release to drop remaining pressure. This prevents curdling. Carefully lift the pan using oven mitts, uncover, and cool to room temperature on a wire rack. Refrigerate the flan for at least 4 hours or overnight to firm up and develop flavor. To serve, loosen edges with a thin knife. Invert onto a serving plate and let the caramel drizzle over the custard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.